So sorry, you're here with your girl, Miss Annie J. Today, I've actually received a wig that I purchased from AliExpress. Now, as you lot know, or if you don't know, life has changed for me over the past year, and so have my finances. Therefore, my approach to things is cheap and cheerful. So I was looking on AliExpress, and I'm very dubious about buying wigs, right? Because I feel like people do reviews and they're sponsored, and so as a result of that, the companies send their representatives, or the person who is reviewing the wig, like the best version of that particular wig. Because if this has happened to you before, I've watched reviews, the wig looked beautiful, I bought it, and when I got the wig, it did not look as stunning as what the influencers were showing in their review. So if you know me, I tend to review things that I have bought of my own accord, okay? No one reached out to me. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this wig after doing my own research. So I looked at other people's reviews. Let me tell you, I was on AliExpress for the longest time. Okay, here's the wig. I was on AliExpress for hours, basically searching for a short headband wig that I could easily put on, that's not going to be effort and all the rest of it. And this is the wig I ordered. Now this wig, let me give you the details. This wig is a short bob headband wig, 210% density, Brazilian human hair, and I believe the length that I got was 8 inches. Okay, so this wig is 8 inches. Now don't worry, as always, I'm going to put the link in the description box below, and that link is very possible that it will be an affiliate link. Okay, at the time of me recording this video, it's not an affiliate link because I haven't joined their affiliate program, but should this video do well, I feel like I might as well. So if you use the link, it's very possible that I will get a small commission from it. So thank you, and at no additional cost to you. So let's put on the wig, right? So here's the wig. See the headband there. I've got my wig cap on already. Now excuse my dry looking face. So it's got like a Velcro strap, right? Okay. And then inside, there's a hair tongue. Sorry. Are these hair tongues? Oh Lord, I don't know all this technical stuff. But anyway, comb. Yeah, the tooth, anyway, this is there, okay? Because yeah, I don't know what it's called, I can't remember right now. And then it's also got the two, I feel like you get these in all wigs, right? So these bits. So that's the wig, okay? So here's the headband. And then here's that. Now I've got a headband wig. You guys have seen me from Ruka Hair. I've done a review on it. If you haven't seen it, I'll pop the link, ding, right here, so you can go and watch that. And that's the reason why I decided I wanted another headband wig. I don't want to mess around with like lace, frontal, 3D, 360, 4K, baby hairs, all of that. No, please, I'm not interested. So I got this headband wig, and I just thought this is going to make life easy for me. So this is the wig straight out of the pack, and the whole pack situation looks like this. They gave me eyelashes. So I've got my eyelashes, I've got the bag, I've got, you know, the net that was covering or protecting the wig. And we are literally just going to put it on and see what it looks like straight out of the pack. Now, if you're a wig person, you know when you get a new wig, it's never just put on and go, usually. You have to do a little bit of styling. But as I mentioned, I hate having to do bare work when I get a wig. I don't want to have to come now, you know, these women, these influencers are showing all these tools that they're using. You know, they're snipping this, they're doing that. I haven't got time. So I just want to put on a headband wig. And best case scenario, just sort out my baby hairs. And that's it. I don't want to do anything more than that. So now I'm putting the, you know, that comb grip thing that I showed you. I can't remember the name. Someone write the name of it in the comments because I'm struggling. So I'm putting that. Yep, so I've secured it like that. Okay, it's actually, you know, oh, this is nice and simple. And then let me do the straps. Oh, sorry, let me do them 2 clips first. Where's the one on the left? Okay, here we go. Oi, this is getting tight. Now, one thing I will say, this is one size. The wig cap is one size fits all. And I will say that I have got a rather large head. So if it's fitting on me and you also have a big head, or your head is smaller, then you should be fine. So for me right now, I'm not going to lie, it feels kind of tight. But I mean, tight is better than loose. right? I'm not going to complain too much about that, because the more secure it feels, the better I feel that when the wind is blowing, I'm not going to have a catastrophe on my hands. So now I'm just strapping the Velcro. Oh, what a wahala. Okay, that's done. And then this is what it looks straight out of the pack. Haven't done anything to it. No straighteners, no nothing. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I am not a fan of extreme curls at the bottom. You see how it's like curling like all the way like that? That is just giving auntie. It is aging me beyond my years. When I straighten it, I'm going to straighten that excessive level of curl, because that is not my portion. So anyway, this is what the wig looks like on, and I really, just straight out the pack, I like it. Like, if I had to quickly run to the shop now, I would feel confident. Okay, you know, partly confident enough to do so. And I think once I get my straighteners on it and then I sort my baby hairs, it'll be in a better position. Ladies, this is what the wig looks like straight on, straight out of the packet, right? Let me show you the back. So that's what it looks like there. Did I get that in the camera? So yeah. Oh, I've got a headache. I get motion sickness very fast. Anyway, that's what it's looking like. And then this side, this is what it looks like here. I can't shake my head too much. It makes me dizzy. Now, I'm going to get my hair straightener and style, and not do too much, to be honest, because the whole reason why I got a headband wig is so I don't have to do too much. The cost of this wig, this was my favorite part, $39 US and 40 cents. In UK money, I don't know what that is, but it's a bit less. Okay, as we know, the value of the Great British Pound has been dropping. So if you're in the UK, you might as well call it £40, let's be honest. So it's $39.40, and that is for the 8 inches length. If you decided to get a longer length, then the price is going to be creeping up. Now, the price doesn't get insane, which is a good thing. I know that, you know, the full frontal 360, all of those sort of wigs cost real serious money. So for me, this is affordable, okay? And I can still look cute. Yeah, that's the cost. I don't know if you guys can see, I've got it. Obviously, it's going to be backwards. I'll take a screenshot and put it on the screen here so you can have a look at it properly. Let's talk about delivery times. I ordered it on December the 5th, 05/12/24, and I've received it today, Saturday the 14th of December. It took just over a week to arrive, which is not bad. Wherever you're based, it's going to vary, obviously. It may take a bit longer, it might be quicker, I don't know. At least for me, I think the delivery time is good. Let me come closer, actually. Excuse my squeaking chair. So you can see, they said it's Brazilian. What is that in there? Anyway, you can see they said it's Brazilian. I like the quality of it, you know. The 210% density though, that bit, I don't know. But I don't know like how to tell. I was expecting it to be like thick, and it doesn't feel thick like that. So I don't know if the 210% density is a real thing, because for me, it just feels like wigs that I've had before. I mean, it may well be. It does feel like it's got some body, which is definitely what I wanted as well. Let me get real close. But yeah, you can see the quality of it. It's good hair, you know. And if I bend. Yeah. Now I need to just a little bit of styling, nothing hectic. So let's go ahead and do that. So I have changed my clothes, greased my face, and put a little bit of respect on my name. So first up, I am going to actually sort my baby hairs, because that's what I saw Madame do in the video on the product page for this wig. So I'm going to take the wig off. At least you know it is secure, you know. So it's tight, it's good. Okay, so first up is my edge control. I'm gonna just use that to my edges, just to make them a bit neat. If you guys have seen my hair video, you know I don't really do anything to my hair. This is the only time that I do something to my hair, which is to neaten my baby hairs. I do it under the wig cap, so I don't apply gel to too much of my hair. Then next up, ta-da! Then that's me. Then what I normally do once I've done that is take the wig cap, and just put it over and then pop it back like this, right? And then it's all looking neat. So that's how I do my baby hairs anyway, guys. So now that that is done, I'm going to pop the wig on. Now, guys, I don't do anything to my hair, so my hair is just in an afro underneath. It is what it is. Right, like that. Then put all the securing bits together, and then the velcro straps, which are last, as you can see, dangling away there. Okay, I think I've sorted it. Actually, this will lay my edges before I push it back. So now it's time to do the get rid of the extra curl. So my hair straighteners are here, already hot, and I'm gonna start on this side. So I've actually got it at maximum heat. And for me, it is literally just straightening them ends more than anything else. I just don't want them as curled as they've been. Yeah, that's better. Oh, these people put, what do you call it? Heavy curl. Like, no, man. Oh, for me, that is so much better, you know? Then look at that. Look at the difference. So much better, right? So if I brush it back now, better. Don't have a heavy, unnecessary curl. And then this side, oh, I'm sorry the light is not really that great on this side. Oh, look at that. It's better. Oh, that is so much better. Okay, so for me, I mean, I'm not a stickler for perfection, but I just feel like that looks so much better. So now, if I bring the wig back to where my edges are, just a little bit more. Now this bit, it's not lumpy, it's just that my afro is, I've left it as an afro underneath, so it is kind of raising it a little bit. There's like puffiness because of my own hair, because I'm not gonna camera it under this, like, yeah, no. So I'll just press my hair straightener. And guys, that is pretty much me. It is a total of approximately $40 for this particular length, which is 8 inches. I'm sorry I've lost light. It's getting dark outside. You know, and I love the fact that it is a headband wig, so my actual edges are my feature. I actually really like it. I think for $40, you know, I just wanted something simple, and this is giving me simple vibes. And you know what, it can easily sort of come across as my own hair. Look at that. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like in the light. Hopefully you can see it better now. And it just looks like, oh, I need to sort out the Velcro back here. But anyway, I'll do that when I'm actually going out. As I mentioned at the beginning, this is not a sponsored video. I spent hours on AliExpress looking at different wigs, reading the reviews. And you know, with those sort of apps, you have to check if the reviews are real, if they're genuine people, or if the seller has come and done some guy stuff in there. But I read the reviews on this one. There wasn't even really that many, but the reviews that I did read looked genuine. So I thought, okay, it's $40. Even if it doesn't work out, at least $40 is not going to break the bank. I'm glad that I got it. The only thing, like I said, the 210% density, I don't know how I feel about that. Because to me, this feels like wigs that I've got. And they were just a normal density. But even so, I really like it. It's cute. Look at that. It's giving me shake. If you're feeling it, guys, the link is in the description below. Remember, like, I've reviewed a few of the wigs that I have purchased that I own. And none of them are sponsored. They are all products, wigs that I have bought after doing my own research or of my own accord or because of a direct recommendation from somebody I actually know. That is when I have done these reviews. So if you want to see the other wigs I've reviewed, just look in my hair and beauty playlist and it will all be there. But this is the latest. I hope you like it. You're going to see this wig featuring a lot in my videos in 2025. But yeah, that's all from me for today. Peace. It's a bright new day. You're here with your girl, Miss Annie J. I'm gonna give them what they want because I came to slay. And nothing's ever gonna take my joy away. I'm about that life.